Guys, she's alive, she's purring, but there's a problem. Look at my DEF gauge. We're getting so close to the red line. I do not want to fill my DEF tank up because I'm gonna delete it and tune it so soon that I'm literally gonna either dump the tank or take it. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but I'm gonna have to get the stuff out of the tank. I don't want to fill it up, but I also need to drive the truck. I may have to commit a diesel sin and fill the tank up. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you guys stayed long enough in yesterday's video to hear me say I'm posting a video again today, I appreciate you guys. You guys rock. I almost didn't because I have a lot of stuff to do. I got a trip I got to take tomorrow, but that trip's gonna allow me to make a lot of videos, so stay tuned for that. But today Mopar Monday. If you didn't see my post on Instagram, go over there, take a look at it. The truck looks so good on the gram, let me tell you. Today I'm gonna be talking about something a lot of you guys ask about, and it's the lift on this truck. A lot of you ask about it, and a lot of you ask questions about it, ask me why I picked it, and today we're gonna go over all that. Okay guys, so if you're new to the channel, this is my 2017 Ram 2500, obviously with the Cummins turbo diesel, 6-speed manual and lime green. Very few G56s out there and very few Hills green out there. Put them both together and it's almost non-existent. So super cool truck. I'm so glad that I went with this. Thing's awesome, man. But today we're talking lifts. So you just got your truck, right? You just spent a lot of money on your truck. You're driving around, you think you're cool, you think you're awesome, you just bought this new truck, man. You're driving down the road and you pull up to the stoplight and hanging out there, and this truck pulls up next to you. You look to your left and you're like, shoot. Guy rolls up in your same exact truck, lifted, big wheels, big tires, and your truck is no longer that cool. We all know you want to lift a level, any sort, just to get your truck sitting on some bigger wheels, bigger tires, upgrading the look of your truck overall. Sport bikes. Now, lift kits are one of the most expensive mods that can and will be done to your truck, depending on how far and extensive you want to take the build. So today we're talking Zone Off-Road, why I put a Zone Off-Road lift kit on my brand new truck. Now, short history lesson and background for you guys. Zone Off-Road and BDS, if you did not know, BDS suspensions are the same company. They're both under the head of Sport Truck USA. And I'm not sponsored by them, but I am a firm believer that they are one of the best and most advanced companies on the market. I've put BDS lift kits on all my trucks. My F-250, I put a BDS lift kit on. My last Cummins, I put a BDS lift kit on, and this Cummins I put a Zone lift kit on, all under the same head of Sport Truck USA, and pretty much in theory they are the same parts. Now your BDS kit gives you more upgraded parts, few more advanced relocation brackets and stuff that your Zone Off-Road kit does not come with. However, the Zone kit is beyond enough for your truck. They take care of everything you need to lift your truck however many inches you want. Now let me tell you that there's a few companies out there, I don't want to bash anybody's names, but you probably know who I'm talking about, that are known for discount and lower priced lifts. And if you also know, you see comparison pictures between their components and other companies' components, and you can see why. Zone is the discounted or lower priced of the two lifts, comparing Zone to BDS. So like I said, BDS has a few more options, like instead of having the radius arm, it could have been a 4-link, but Zone and BDS are under the same company. BDS is the more, let's call it the deluxe kit. And like I said, as you can tell guys, this truck sits mean, sits tall, and I mean, yes, sits green to rhyme with that sentence. But I threw a 6.5-inch Zone Off-Road product lift on here. First things first, compared to other companies, look at this coil spring. As you can see that this is more compressed up here than down here. This is not because the truck weighs so much. This is because this is called a dual rate coil. The bottom section of this coil provides you with a factory, ride, and the top provides you with the lift. So like I was saying, BDS and Zone are way ahead of the game, way ahead of the competition. I'm going to show you just a leveling kit for this truck on the screen here from Zone, and I'm going to show you a leveling kit on the screen here from another company. As you can see, the Zone leveling kit is angled compared to the other kits. Zone and BDS, they don't make lift kits for your truck. They make lift kits that your truck needs. They make, like I said, the dual rate coils, providing the best ride you possibly can. The leveling kits that are angled because, to reduce spring bowing and all this stuff, even in the directions of this kit. If you guys watched my install video, you saw me drilling one hole on this side. And I drilled one hole on this side to re-index this upper coil mount to reduce spring bowing at the bottom. So Zone and BDS are, I'm gonna say, top of the line kit on the market now. There is no company that can match them, I'm gonna say, on the consumer lift side. When you go SEMA builds and builds that are like 10 inches and up, yes, there is a variety of companies that will, one, supply the lift, and two, are a little bit better on those terms. But Zone and BDS themselves provide, the best kits, ranging from 2 to 8 inches depending on your application. Great customer service, no fine print warranty. BDS comes with, lifetime, and Zone, I think, comes with a 5-year something. But BDS, yes, you are paying for the name and the warranty. As you can see, guys, this truck is lifted up, sitting pretty, and I couldn't be more pleased with the Zone lift than ever. I went ahead and did it up right, paired it with the Fox shocks. As you can see, they came from BDS suspension, and the front steering stabilizers as well came from BDS suspension. Amazing ride. I know I haven't showed you much of the rear because it's kind of tucked up in there, but again, Fox 2.0 shocks from BDS, and those giant lift coils, track bar bracket and all, everything's on here. I do have the install video of this kit on my channel if you want to go take a look at that. But I know a lot of you were asking about this kit, what kit I have, why did I choose it, stuff like that. And let me tell you, for the value, you are getting the same kit as the BDS kit. You're not paying for, the warranty, and you're not paying for the other additional upgrades like the 4-link kit that gives you more articulation, stuff like that. You're not paying for that, but you're paying for a damn good kit. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by Zone, I'm not sponsored by BDS. I wish I was. I install their lifts daily, and it'd be a great time working with these guys because I am a firm believer in their products. Incredible customer service, incredible guys, and incredible lifts. So like I said, guys, if you guys are looking for a lift, my first recommendation is don't cheap out. Pay for good quality kits. Zone, BDS. If you're doing crazier lifts, if you're doing crazier like 10, 12 inch, 14, whatever lifts, McGoy's, Cognito, stuff like that, you can get into crazier builds like that. But Zone provides you with your everyday consumer lifts that you're going to be riding on and off road, and not mainly to national truck shows. But I could not say better things about this kit. Rides like a dream. Lift height is almost on point. And if you guys are looking at this 6.5-inch kit, let me tell you, the truck is huge. I am about 5'10", and as I'm walking to the mirror here, like I said, I'm 5'10", it's at my forehead. This truck is big. Opening the door, and you're sitting up there, and look how much the wheel is. The wheel is almost completely, the top of the wheel is above my head. So, this truck is big. Yeah, so if you're looking at the kit, you want your Ram modestly lifted, you might want to look at the 4-inch kit, because this thing is huge. So if you're looking at this kit, put it in your cart and click buy now, because kit's incredible and rides like a dream. Don't cheap out. Honestly, it was well worth the investment for the shocks. If it doesn't fit your budget now, just make sure it's going to fit your budget down the road, because you will thank yourself. This week we have a lot of videos and a lot of fun videos coming up. You guys are going to like them, so I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. Stay tuned for all this week's videos. Thank you guys for continually supporting and growing the channel. You know, guys, my goal on here is just to make a giant family, you know, where we all can interact, all can connect. Various truck meets we can all show up to and, you know, rock it out. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Stay tuned for this week's videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mods coming extremely, extremely soon. Tune, delete, exhaust. I got some special things coming. Company's sending me something super sweet, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. I could keep talking for like an hour here because I've got so much to say, but this video is going to be way over, you know, way over on time, and y'all are going to complain. So I'm going to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.